Disney Store mail. Yay! I got me some magic mail. Just a little texie dust. We're going to open up the magic that came in the mail today. If you hear some barking, it's because I have a puppy. And she's mixed Australian Shepherd with Corgi and Dachshund. And Australian Shepherds are just a little ill-mannered. They like to bark. They like to talk. So, that's my puppy in the background. Evangeline, my belle. This has a lot of perforations on it, so let's see where we're going to get started. Have you been shopping the Disney Store sales? The twice upon a year sale is here. Every summer. Feels like it lasts all summer, that's all I'm saying. All right, one more side. I love these new perforated easy open boxes though. Like, this is great. Like, I'm just, no scissors necessary. Look at that. And now here comes the magic in the mail coming off. It comes off too. Oh, hey, that one just popped open. And then you can see her, my new Loungefly, my new baby with the 4 park icons. I've almost bought this in the parks so many times. So when it went 40% off, I bought it online. I love it. Look at the iridescent, like blue purple on the little trim there. Oh, let's get her out of the bag. I only bought 2 things. There's a set of ears in here too. Oh my goodness. Oh, Disney Parks Loungefly. She's so pretty. Oh, there's a little zipper behind the icons, and it's iridescent also. Just a little tiny little pouch up front. Oh, how cute. Oh, so cute. And then when you take all the stuffing out of the inside, what is the lining going to look like? It's the 4 park icons. I love it. I bought the Spirit jersey that goes with this collection already, and I've already bought the Crocs that go with this collection and a little picture frame that goes with this collection. And now I have the Loungefly, the Crocs, and the Spirit jersey to make a whole outfit. But I didn't get the ears that match this. No, no, no. Those are not the ears I got. Oh, look at the little Mickey on the back. Oh, the details. They're so adorable. So, there's my new Loungefly. And then the ears I got. On our last trip, we did the storybook dining where we met the evil queen. I wish I'd had ears then. The poisoned apple ears. Put them on my little hat. Because that's about the only way ears are actually comfortable. Extreme close-up of those beautiful ears. Do you see the little crown on top? New ears to add to my ever-growing collection of ears. There it is. An extreme close-up. Disney Parks Loungefly. With the 4 park icons and the poison apple ears with the little crown.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!